What's up, team? Fullest this again, Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cook Up my canal. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my own seasons to season my chicken. If you're somebody who are into spice, you like spicy food, then this video is for you. So this is the chicken that I'm going to season. I've already washed and cleaned everything, and these are the season that I'm going to use. I'm going to blend everything into this blender, and I really like making my own seasoning. Like, I really like to make my own seasoning because I really like to eat a chicken that is well seasoned, whether it's fish or anything. I like to make my own spice. And then what I do is I like to season my chicken or my fish or my meat a day or two before ever I'm cooking it. Like, for example, if I'm cooking the chicken tomorrow, I like to season it today, this morning, and then leave it till tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening when it's time to cook. So this is what I'm about to do. So tomorrow I'm going to make something nice. So I'm going to season the chicken. I'm not going to use all the ginger because I have this big Madame Chinette pepper. This is the African pepper. This pepper is very hot, but I like the taste of having ginger also in it a little bit, especially when you want to make some barbecue. You want to do barbecue, then try this. You would definitely love the taste and the spiciness on the food. So I'm just gonna peel the ginger off. If you like, you can peel the ginger off. If you like, you can actually blend the ginger like that, but make sure you wash your ginger properly. Make sure you wash it very nice. So I'll just like to peel the skin off. I'm just gonna peel all the skin, get everything off, and then I'm just gonna take a piece of the ginger, just gonna cut it, take a piece, and then blend everything together. For example, in the summer, when I want to make some barbecue in the summer, when it's time to make barbecue or maybe Christmas dinner, we want to do some gourmets. Gourmets is it's a electric barbecue. Electric barbecue, we do it a lot in Holland, especially in the holiday season, like Christmas nights when there's no the weather is not nice outside to do any barbecue. So we do a lot of gourmets, a lot of electric barbecue in the house. And when you want to do that, mix this spice together, blend them, and then season your meats, your chicken, your fish, whatever you're going to use. Season everything, and then leave it for a whole night to stand. Definitely you use it. Definitely you will love it, and it tastes delicious. So now I'm going to use garlic. I'm using ginger, garlic, hot pepper, and some rosemary. I love the taste of the garlic in food, and it really helps with the aroma. The same thing when it comes to the rosemary. The aroma is so nice, and the taste, the smell, using all of this ingredient together, blend everything. What I normally do sometimes, if I know that I'm going to be cooking like a lot of seasoning, I will make a lot, put it in a container, and then whenever I'm ready to season, I will just take a little bit and season. But today, the reason why I didn't want to make that much, because I know I'm not going to be using everything. I'm not gonna be making a lot of chicken, so that's the reason why I didn't use everything. But I'm gonna keep those for another day. But I'm just gonna slice the garlic, just slice it so that it blends easily, and the rest I'm just gonna keep them another day. I'm going to make the same spice, and then I'm going to use this to season another thing. So I'm going to add a little bit of water so that it is a little bit easier to blend. Yeah, because when you add water, it's a little bit easier. I love this blender. This blender is so nice. It comes with different parts. So this is the part where if you want to blend anything spicy, it's good to use this one. The other one, the bigger side, is where I normally use to blend my smoothies. So now I'm just going to blend everything, and Lord, that pepper is hot. That African pepper is hot. I'm not really I love spice, but I have a limit to spicy food. I've seen people who eat much more spicy food than I am. So I do have a limit when it comes to eating spice. But make sure you blend it very, very nice. Make sure you blend everything, the seeds of the pepper. Make sure everything is smoothly blend. I'm just going to watch at it and see if everything is blend. The Maggi you put into it, make sure everything is blend. So I'm just gonna blend it couple of times. Just press blend till everything is smooth out. When you're going to open this container after blending everything together, you're going to feel that spiciness. Like you're going to sneeze first, because that's what always happened to me when I done with blending everything. When I open the container, I'm like, ooh, the spiciness. So now we're going to use that to season the chicken. The chicken is going to taste so good. It's going to taste really good. If you are not really into spice, a little bit go a long way. You don't need to put too much. A little bit, but yeah, I love a little bit of spice. You guys can see that color. It's beautiful. The yellow, it's so nice. So now I'm just going to put everything, not everything, on the chicken, because if not that, even me, I will not have the mouth to eat that chicken. So I'm not going to put everything. I'm just going to put a little bit. And the remaining one, I'm just going to put it in a container so that I will use it for another time, because that is a little bit too much to put everything. So this is a container that I'm going to use to put the remaining. Just store it in there. It's a little bit big container. Normally I do make a lot, but today I'm just making a little bit because I don't want too much. So now I'm just gonna mix. Do not use your hand to mix this. If you're gonna use your hand, use glove. Use glove. Use hand glove. Because one time I did use my hand, and then I forgot that I played with pepper. Even though I've washed my hand a couple of times, and then I forgot, and then something came into my eyes. I scratched my eyes. Oh Lord, have mercy. My eyes was red. My eyes was burning. So since that day, I think I learned my lessons. I never use my hand on my eyes again. I never even use my hand to season pepper. I use glove, or sometimes I don't use my hand, but it depends on the spiciness of the food we're talking about. But with this one, I will not dare to use my hand. I will not. So I'm just going to pour the rest on this container. You can store it there. This is such a easy recipe, easy way to season your fish for barbecue. If you try this with barbecue, you would definitely love it. Try it on your shrimps, your crabs, your beef, your fish, like anything. Just try this. You would definitely love the taste of the chicken, or the taste of the food. So this is how I make my own. I'm just gonna put a little bit water into the blender just to get everything out, because trying to get everything out. I'm gonna pour that into the chicken, and then I'm just gonna mix everything together once more again, and then I'm just gonna leave the chicken to sit down. Ooh, you see how yellow that is? The spiciness of that pepper, that garlic. And this one, I'm just going to store this. The remaining one, I'm just going to store it, and I'm going to leave it to sit down in the fridge for another day. And the chicken, I'm just going to mix everything. So everything is looking so beautiful right now. I'm just going to close it and let it sit down for a couple of days, a day or two, maybe 2 days. 2 days, I'm going to leave it to sit down for 2 days. Maybe a day or 2 days, and then we are going to ready to use it. So guys, I just want to come and share with you guys my quick recipe, how to make your own spice, how to season your chicken, your fish, whatever you want to use. This spice is best. Hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Team Fullest, thank you so much for your love and support, and see you guys. Peace out. Bye.